Have you ever tried assessing where we are in life compared to where we aspire to be?
Secret that the California housing bubble has popped with hardship spread wide.
Today, let's all take a moment to reflect on this. Many of us are currently struggling with financial challenges, primarily due to the impact of COVID-19. Fear often creeps in during economic downturns, making it difficult to pursue our financial goals. However, there are strategies to navigate wisely through a recession and shield ourselves from future financial setbacks. Today, we'll share some invaluable insights on thriving amid a downturn by the renowned author of the best-selling Rich Dad, Poor Dad series on personal finance, Robert Kiyosaki. Robert Kiyosaki once remarked, "You're only poor if you give up. The most important thing is that you did something." Most people only talk and dream of getting rich. You've done something. You've come to the right place if you're ready to take proactive steps toward your dreams. In times of recession, many individuals panic and impatiently sell off their investments to mitigate losses. Yet Robert elaborates that although these challenging periods can present the most promising investment opportunities for smart individuals to acquire assets at reduced prices and hold them for the long term, let's learn the best investment prospects during a recession. Robert Kiyosaki passionately advocates for investing in precious metals like gold and silver as a vital strategy to safeguard your wealth against economic uncertainties and the sneaky destructive power of inflation. Kiyosaki believes that gold and silver possess a unique superpower in the financial world. Unlike many other assets, their prices remain resilient even when the economy is in turmoil. They act as a reliable fortress for your finances during turbulent times. In the face of economic unpredictability, gold and silver serve as protective shields. Think of them as your financial safety nets. When traditional investments such as stocks become shaky or when the value of regular money, fiat currency, drops due to rising prices, inflation, these precious metals step in to preserve and grow your wealth. Kiyosaki also anticipates that the prices of gold and silver will soar in the years to come, and as the value of these metals increases, so does the value of your investments. Wondering how to invest in gold and silver? Kiyosaki offers several options. You can opt for the classic approach by purchasing physical gold and silver, such as coins or bullion. Alternatively, if you prefer a more modern method, consider investing in exchange-traded funds or ETFs that specialize in these metals. Two popular choices are the iShares Gold Trust Micro ETF, IAUM, and the iShares Silver Trust or SLV. Kiyosaki has a soft spot for silver, labeling it the second most used commodity after oil. Its exceptional conductivity makes it indispensable in electric vehicles and solar panels. What's more, silver is more affordable to invest in than gold. Surprisingly, there has been a shortage of silver for the past 5 years, which could potentially drive its price even higher. Inflation in simple terms means that the prices of everyday goods and services increases over time. Kiyosaki argues that silver can shield your money from losing its value because historically it has outpaced inflation. It's like having a financial superhero guarding your wealth against inflation. However, keep in mind that the direction of silver and gold prices can also be influenced by the decision of the Federal Reserve. Staying informed about their actions and policies is wise if you're getting into precious metal investments. Robert Kiyosaki is a strong proponent of Bitcoin as a hedge against economic uncertainties and inflation. Here's the answer. Kiyosaki isn't just interested in Bitcoin, he's fascinated by its underlying technology, blockchain. Blockchain is the powerful engine that drives Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies. Kiyosaki sees immense potential in this technology, known for its security and transparency. Now, let's talk about Bitcoin itself. It's not just any digital currency, it's the largest and most famous cryptocurrency globally. When Bitcoin makes a move, the entire crypto market follows suit, and boy, can it make moves. Bitcoin's price has taken us on a wild roller coaster. Picture it soaring to nearly $69,000 in November 2021, only to dip to around $16,750. That's the thrilling ride Bitcoin offers. So why is Kiyosaki so optimistic about Bitcoin? He's got his eye on pension funds. These are mammoth investment giants managing immense amounts of money. Kiyosaki points out that pension funds are turning their attention to cryptocurrencies. In one of his tweets, Kiyosaki highlights that pension funds are some of the largest players in the investment world. He references a Forbes story that reveals a staggering 94% of state and government pension plans have ventured into cryptocurrencies. This pension fund interest is a game changer for Bitcoin. When such colossal players enter the scene, it can potentially lead to substantial increases in the cryptocurrency's value. This is where Bitcoin shines as a hedge against economic uncertainties and inflation. Often termed digital gold, Bitcoin can act as a wall when traditional investments become shaky. As regular money or fiat currency loses value due to rising prices or inflation, Bitcoin steps in as a safeguard. With growing interest from pension funds, Bitcoin's potential to shine even brighter in the financial world is highly recommended by him. While he's a big advocate for assets like gold, silver, and Bitcoin, he reminds us that these safeguard your wealth, not your income. Kiyosaki recognizes that the prices of everyday essentials like food are on the upswing due to supply shortages. It's a concern for everyone because we'll always need food, right? That's where his advice comes in handy. Start taking notes. Kiyosaki suggests paying close attention to the world of food. While he's even invested in livestock, he acknowledges that not everyone can become a farmer. So, what's the alternative? For those who can't run farms, there's another route. Look for companies focused on food processing and livestock farming to add to your investment portfolio. This way you can indirectly ride the wave of the food industry's stability. But here's the key takeaway. Gold, silver, and Bitcoin are excellent at preserving your wealth, but they won't directly generate income. In a turbulent economy, your job, investments, or pension might be at risk. Kiyosaki's solution is a side hustle. It's something you do on the side, apart from your regular job, to bring in extra income. Not only can it help make ends meet during tough times, but it also acts as a safety net. Consider your side hustle as more than just a financial source. It can be the first step towards entrepreneurship. Who knows, your small gig today might grow into the next big thing, just like Amazon or Bitcoin. Kiyosaki's wisdom boils down to this: when the economic seas get rough, a side hustle can keep you afloat. It's not only a source of additional income, but also a path to exploring your entrepreneurial potential. So while you protect your wealth with precious metals and cryptocurrencies, don't forget to boost your income through a successful side gig. It might just lead you to unforeseen financial heights. Another nugget of Kiyosaki's wisdom centers on real estate. Unlike volatile financial instruments, real estate is a tangible asset with enduring value. It's bricks and mortar, providing a sense of security during tough economic times. Kiyosaki challenges conventional wisdom by advocating the use of debt as an investment tool. He understands that real estate, when acquired strategically, can appreciate in value over time. For those who can navigate its complexities, real estate can be a powerful wealth-building asset. It is a long-term perspective in real estate investment. He reminds us that real estate markets may fluctuate, but quality properties tend to appreciate over time. This shift in mindset from quick gains to sustained growth is crucial for financial stability. Investing in real estate involves understanding market dynamics, property management, and financing. Learning these intricacies equips investors with the knowledge to make informed decisions. Kiyosaki acknowledges the prevalence of scams in real estate. To navigate this terrain, he advises aspiring investors to choose credible educational resources and mentors. A cautious approach coupled with in-depth learning can help separate sound investment opportunities from risky ones. Unlike the stock market, real estate is illiquid. This characteristic, according to Kiyosaki, is an advantage. Illiquid investments require careful consideration and dedication. They demand a deeper commitment, minimizing hasty decisions driven by market volatility. Kiyosaki's teachings remind us that real estate isn't just about buying properties, it's about understanding the market, leveraging debt responsibly, and committing to continuous financial education. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. And as always, conduct thorough research and seek professional advice before making any investment decisions. Here's to your financial success and a more secure tomorrow.